morning, guys. November 22nd, 2021. This one I got a call from a lady. She called me Friday, and she said heater wouldn't run. So I told her to go change the batteries in the thermostat, and if there was a problem, to call me back. So she did that, and now it's Monday. She's calling me back. She says that she thinks she needs a thermostat, or she changed the battery a couple of times, and it's worked a couple of times, and so obviously there's something going on with it. So I'm going over there now and obviously there's something going on with it. Maybe it's a flame sensor, or maybe she's got bats in the belfry. Oh man, you never know, you never know. Maybe she's got birds in the belfry, man. Molly. Another damsel in distress. We gotta go help out. We're on our way there now. Maybe she's got bats in the belfry, Miss Molly. You never know, Miss Molly. Maybe she got bats in the belfry. Oh, yeah. Probably a flippin' flame sensor. She might have bent all the pins on the thermostat. I've seen that a bunch of times. Could be a bad thermostat. Who the hell knows? I ain't no rocket scientist. Let's see if we can help her out, Molly. See if we get it working for her. Maybe we'll sell her a new system.
You take this in and out, then it will work again. That's a little paper that explains it to you.
The batteries are here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just put new ones. I put new ones twice, actually.
Alright, so that's probably not a problem then.
But when it don't work, I come and take the battery out and click it back in, and then it clicks right on.
Really?
Yep.
Well, it might be something else. I'll just kind of rotate these a little bit. Not a bad thermostat. Heat automatic.
Yeah, I can hear it's on.
Clean flame sensor. A couple of years ago, a year and a half ago, it just shut off. Did you hear it shut off?
I heard it do something.
Yeah. Let's clean the flame sensor and then we'll try it again. That's what I did last time I was here.
Yeah, I think you did. It's idiopathic, which means they don't know what it's from, but it could have been like he was a welder. He did a lot of things that he breathed in crap, you know. Oil. He was an oil delivery. So they really don't know what to contribute it to. They said he does not have COPD.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Because at least he can breathe.
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Yeah, but you know, if he does a lot, he gets out of wind real easy. So my grandson was supposed to come for Thanksgiving. He just texted me. He's got COVID. But
oh,
we're
great.
pretty careful. We've had all 3 of our shots, and we're just very careful. Get through the winter.
You don't have COVID, do you?
No. We rarely go out anywhere. I go to the supermarket with my mask. I've had 3 shots. I stay away from people.
Yeah, I haven't never got it, so thank God.
Yeah, thank God.
Thank God, it's right.
You might have had it and just don't know it.
Maybe.
You might have had that asymptomatic, you know, where you have it but you don't get any symptoms.
You just don't know, huh?
Nope, you just don't know.
I think it seemed like it fired up and it shut right off. So let's clean the flame sensor first. It should have lasted more than a year and a half, but you never know.
How long it's been too, yeah. But, you
It's
know,
kind of a bad design
doing
where they put this thing. Weird.
We just had a new water tank.
I figured maybe on your thermostat, maybe you had a couple of screws loose. Well, I didn't check that. No?
Yeah, that's why you're here.
You know, a couple of screws loose? No?
Yeah, we got screws loose, but not, I don't know about the thermostat.
You never know.
You never know, it's right. Yeah, you never know.
How's Lorraine doing?
She's good. She was here yesterday. You know, of course she's lonely. But she's got her daughter, her granddaughter, her great-granddaughter, try to keep her busy and...
Don't look dirty. It seemed like it fired up and shut right off. I mean, what do we got for a chimney? You in a chimney here?
Yeah, I have chimney.
Yeah, I've seen where the birds will come down and go inside the motors.
I've got a good cap.
Oh, you got a cap?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's
Both
important,
of them
yeah.
have caps.
Oh, so that's probably not the case then.
And I'm pretty good for writing on things when I bought them, and that thermostat upstairs, I bought it in 2014.
This is kind of a really queer design, the way they got it. I mean, it makes it hard to get in there.
Really? Oh, you mean the furnace itself?
Well, they don't give you much room to
Yeah.
work here,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh.
That's the way it is.
Whoever designed it didn't have that in mind.
No, it was a shitty design.
You'll get away with it for a while longer.
No shit, huh?
Yeah.
It's just a shit-ass design. It's, can't really get in there. They don't give you no room. Really terrible flipping design. Look at this. Looks like I got it. Flippin' Drama City, huh? Flippin' Drama City. Are you still working? No?
No, we're retired now.
Both years.
I finally got him to retire at 70. I couldn't retire till he retired, so I was like, all right.
Really? Yeah.
Enough.
Enough's enough. Well, we're gonna try it again, see what happens here. He didn't play around with none of this stuff you saying, right? That you know of?
Us, no. Well, you're here. Last person to touch that was
stuff on that flame sensor and she shuts right off, you know. Oh, it don't matter. Got a new filter in there. Fan's working. Because when I came down there, I heard it start up and then it was running and it shut right off. So that would be the flame sensor. I mean, it's just a real tough spot to get to. They should have just put it on top. Why on the bottom? I mean, it's stupid, you know?
Well, I see a lot of things that girls should. Yeah, I think to myself, I'd like to know who thought of this.
Yeah.
You know, appliances and things like.
Dumb idea.
Look at that. Maybe it's different paper.
idea.
What did it just fall off the top here?
Yeah, that's what happened.
Oh, it's just something that was.
That's one of the stickers fell off. You don't want to get that sucked into the flames, right?
I don't know. I've never seen it inside here before.
Well, you could just mark it on a tag. I mean, every 6 months, do it on your calendar.
Yeah.
You know, you got AC too? Yeah. Wow, look at it. It's overhanging. Who the hell did that?
No idea.
Wow. See how it's overhanging the edge?
What is?
This is overhanging here. That's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be the same width as this.
No idea.
See how wide that is?
Yeah.
That's not right.
Whatever the guy put in the furnace.
Well, what he should have did was he should have put that coil up higher and then made a transition so it would take the whole thing. You know what I'm saying?
I really don't. I believe you.
Well, as long as it don't ice up on you. So it's a year and a half since I cleaned the flame sensor last time. A year and a half, and it malfunctioned. Seems to be running fine now.
It does that. It runs fine for a while, and all of a sudden it don't work. And that's when I play with that battery pack upstairs. I pull it out, put it back in, I change it.
I mean, it is possible that it is that thermostat. I mean, she's gonna shut down the thermostat, and once I cool off the heat exchanger, I'll put the cover on and we'll try it again. Seems to be running fine now. Could have just been that flame sensor. It's not good to just shut it off like that. It's better to let it cool off. Shut the shit out of it. Times it's just that flame sensor gets dirty. Because when I walked down here, it did shut. I could hear it shut off. That's what I think it was. Houston, we have ignition. Year and a half since I've been here before and cleaned the flame sensor. I was here a year and a half ago, did the same thing.